to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today's video is a room tour of Bay Lake Tower Studio. This room sleeps 4 people in a queen bed and a pull-out sofa. These are the Disney Vacation Club rooms. You can use your DVC points, but you can also pay cash to stay here as well. So let's take a little tour of the room. At the end of the video, I'll show you the lobby and the pool area as well. Okay, door you walk in, and in here is the bathroom. It's kind of a smaller bathroom, but the space is used very well. You have plenty of room in the corner for all your things. And woo, turn around. Nice big shower. We still got a sampling of shampoo, conditioner, which is very nice. And this room can connect to another room, so you can put it together with a 1-bedroom kind of thing. All right, in here is this mini kitchenette. I love microwave, toaster, and most importantly, coffee maker. And hi, full-size mirror. So if you want to get groceries delivered, you have plenty of room to store them over here. And a small fridge. Unlike the 1-bedroom, you do not get a full refrigerator. But they gave me a little coffee in this drawer. Got some creamers, can opener, plastic silverware here. Looks like all plastic or paper cups up there. Got some soap and a sponge to, you know, do the dishes. Let's check out. Extra blankets and pillows. Nice closet for your luggage. And the TV. Love the contemporary style of the room. I'm going to stand back so you can get a full view. This room is definitely not as big as your typical hotel room, but it's a nice size. And the huge benefit here is you're walking to the Magic Kingdom. So queen bed, pull-out sofa, lightsaber does not come with the room. And our room has a view of the lake and the pool. How nice and relaxing is that? I love it. You can sit out here and enjoy your coffee, drink at night. So let me know, what do you think? Would you stay here at Bay Lake Tower? I certainly love the location of being able to walk to the Magic Kingdom. I think I'll do a video of that next. If I've done it, I will link it down below so you can connect all the pieces. I'm a huge walk to the park person. I think it's great to have a quick escape, whether you're going to the park or coming home from the park. It's so nice to be so close. Personal preference, so let me know what you think too. Thank you so much for joining me. See you guys next time.